Hey guys, welcome back to UModeler. In this video, we're spotlighting the newly launched UModeler X Personal plan. And if you're an indie developer or a solo hobbyist working in Unity, this may be the upgrade you've been waiting for. The Personal plan gives you full access to UModeler X's powerful 3D editor. You're going to get continuous feature upgrades, early access to new tools, and best of all, the perpetual fallback license. This means that after 1 year subscription, you can use and own the software outright. There's no strings attached, no forced upgrades. You stay in control of your workflow. It is priced at just $9 a month or $89 a year, making it an incredible accessible for solo creators who want pro-level tools without burning a hole in the budget. And it has all of the best features. Pretty much everything from the Pro version is in the Personal version. So if you're still on the fence, no problem. Right now, you can jump into a 45-day free trial and explore all the Personal plan features with zero commitment, no credit card required. You just download it, install it, and start creating. So to start your trial or learn more, visit unity.umodeler.com/price to see the plan and unlock your next project. So that's all we have for you today, but go and try out the new Personal plan. We got the 45-day trial. Everything is right there for the taking. Take advantage of it. It's going to cost you nothing to get involved and to start creating. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. All right, well, I'll see you in the next one.